ஹலோ
இருக்கேன்டா. மியூட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோ.
ஹலோ
யா சொல்லுங்க. சுமித்
ப்ரோ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணீங்களா?
இன்னும் எல்லாரும் ஜாயின் பண்ணல இல்ல, வெயிட் பண்ணலாம்.
ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே.
வேற யாரும் ஜாயின் பண்ணலையா? லைக் இஸ் தேர் எனிவன் எல்ஸ்? Shaktivel, Mohanraj, like they are not joining. In areas, no one. Okay. Okay, I think like many people are not joining, so it's fine. So can anyone just tell me something? Do you guys like prefer Slack or do you guys like prefer WhatsApp? So if you guys prefer WhatsApp, I'm okay with it. Because sometimes miscommunication happens when people are unavailable, right? So what I think is like, can we go with Slack? Do you guys really think privacy matters, or do you guys think like WhatsApp is easy to, get in connect?
Even if it is Slack is fine, sir, because I'm using the Slack app so that I'm getting the notifications directly to the phone, right?
Yeah.
So even it is like WhatsApp also, no problem for that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What about you remaining guys? Like Smith is here. Yeah, we got two people. Hmm? Smith, கேக்குதுங்களா?
ப்ரோ
Hello.
கேக்குது. ஹலோ.
Yeah. அதான் கேட்குறேன். உங்களுக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் ஓகேவா இல்லை ஸ்லாக் ஓகேவா? லைக் ப்ரைவசி அந்த மாதிரிலாம் உங்களுக்கு எதுவும் கன்சிடரேஷன் இல்லைன்னா லைக் ஐ கேன் கோ வித் வாட்ஸ்அப். பிகாஸ் சம்டைம் மோஸ்ட்லி யாருமே ஸ்லாக்ல அவைலபிள் ஆகிறது இல்லையா, அதான் கேட்குறேன்.
நான் வாட்ஸ்அப்ல கொஞ்சம் ஆக்டிவா இருப்பேன் ப்ரோ.
அதான் வாட்ஸ்அப்ல ஒரு இன்டிமேஷன் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம்
ரெண்டு இன்டிமேஷன் பண்ணா அது நல்லா இருக்காது. அதான் ரெண்டு இன்டிமேஷன் பண்ணா நல்லா இருக்காது. Let's do something better. We can add everyone in WhatsApp group. That would be fine, I think.
ப்ரோ வாட்ஸ்அப் இஸ் பெட்டர் நினைக்கிறேன்.
ஓகே, பட் ஸ்லாக் எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்றது உங்களுக்கு இப்போ புரியுமான்றது எனக்கு தெரியல. பிகாஸ் வென் யூஆர் டெவலப்பிங் ப்ராஜெக்ட், வாட்ஸ்அப்லலாம் வந்துட்டு உங்களால் ரெப்பாசிட்டரிலாம் டைரெக்டாக லிங்க் பண்ண முடியாது. நீங்கள் என்ன சேஞ்ச் பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்றதெல்லாம் வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் உங்களுக்கு காமிக்காது. அதோட யூஸ் நமக்கு தேவைப்படுறப்ப தான் தெரியும். Until that it is fine. Okay, so Eva just texted me asking password. Can you help her out, Smith?
Yeah bro, just one second.
What about rest of them?
Rest of them, actually, Soumya told that she might not be available. She's in office, and Shindopriya is like out for some work. So I think like they'll be working off in it. And I have no idea about remaining 2 to 3 guys. I have no idea about Mohan. I have no idea about remaining.
We intimated already, right?
Yes, we did. That's what I'm asking. Like, are they familiar with WhatsApp, or are they no idea what is wrong? Because everyone is interested, but they are. Let me invite everyone. Better. Um, So guys, we can start, right? So I'm just sending you guys invitation. Just try to join the WhatsApp group. Better it is really good to be in WhatsApp than Slack, I think. But Slack, you will know the use when you guys are really developing project. Slack is not just a chat application. Slack is more than that. Slack is used for project management, a lot of other things are there. It's not just a chat application. So am I audible, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
So I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Okay, so here I think like everybody have submitted their code. Just went through it. Smith sent me. Smith had several issue with laptop. Eva also sent me the code. It's deployed somewhere. And Funny also sent me the code. And Funny's friend also sent me the code in GitHub. So everyone is like, okay, here. I don't feel any bad out anyone. So if you guys have any questions, you can ask me now, or we can move to the next topic there. Any question?
No.
So today we'll be looking at media queries and where is that? Just a minute. This is it. So here this was the day one tutorial.
Jack, I prefer light one. Use the light color.
So everyone can see this, right? So
Yeah,
this was
that's
the
nice.
title we did. So let's go to the day two. Day two. So today we'll be looking at let's have this. So today we'll be looking at media queries, they are called. So let's go here and let's see like what are the things we have missed. Media queries. So few medias that we have here are, one will be audio, video, and we have few other things, iframe we have, and we have things like this. So here we can just go and this thing you guys have to do by yourself, like your self training. Just go through how to insert audio in HTML. This also you guys should do by yourself. iframe I'll teach you. Okay, iframe I'll teach you how to do. This is really simple. In iframe, you can just like go here and select any URL you can give, any URL, and you can paste here, and here you can just give width and height. You guys can give width. So this would be something like 300 pixel, we call them. And let's have some height too, and that could also be something like 300 pixels. So now this should work. Let's save this and let's open this in the browser. Let's go here, vehicles, training, front end, HTML. So if you guys see here, this is like here is a whole thing that you guys can see. You can also embed any web page, because Google have blocked it, so you cannot see anything. By the way, like this. Our website. I mean, you guys can see this, right? So this is an entire website. This is an entire website that is uh, given in this small portion. Okay, so that's why we use a frame. So this is my heading frame. Uh, Example website. Okay, so here I'm going to give 1000 pixel, and for the height I'm going to give 500 pixels. So if I go on refreshes, you guys will see the whole website here. Okay, so this is the website. So this is the full size website, and in this website itself, inside the website, we have, this embedded this thing inside here. Okay, so that is what we use iframe. Okay, and one more thing is there, embedding. So that I will do embedding. So if you want to embed something, example a YouTube video, like example you're developing a YouTube, you're developing something like a website for a church. Okay, so let's go here. Village church. If you guys go here, this is an example for church. Or if you go for like the guy name, who's that? There is a guy, right? Patanjali, no, the other guy. I forget his name. He was a devotional guy who bought island also, right? Can you guys name him? See, if you see here, you guys can see a YouTube video here. Okay. So, yeah. Let's just forget about this guy. So if you guys go here, oh, okay, so really cool. See, they have also checking that am I using any, am I human or not. This website is really good, which means that the church website is really easy to access, but these guys' website are really protected. So we need please check image that contains airplane. So I will go here, and this is an airplane, 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 airplane. Check. Yeah, so it verified it. So if you guys check out these kind of series here, okay, if you just go here and check Kailasa TV, that's also kind of a media, okay, where they keep all their videos here. Or if you guys go to college humor, if you guys go here to this website, collegehumor.com. So these things are like there in the website. They will college humor. Janelle, I'm not eligible to visit the site. It's fine. So I'll try to give some other website. So these kind of website users, can you see like the YouTube videos here? These guys are also actually having some, some programs that is in YouTube. They wanted to showcase these things. So how this thing is done means this is really simple. You can go to youtube.com and you can go to youtube.com and let's select any website, any video that is really short, 10-second video. So I'm going to take 10-second video. So this is a 10-second. It does not mean that you should take only 10-second video. You can take more than that also. Like it's recording. Yeah, it's fine. Someone just texted me. Okay, no issue. So you guys just click here, and this thing is there, right? Copy embed code. Okay, you should copy this code, and you guys can go here and paste this. This is also an iframe. You guys can save this, and if you go here and refresh, you will see the website here, or you will see the YouTube video here. Simple, really simple. Okay, and if you want to do the same thing for, I think it works with iMusic. It should work. I think I've tried it with iMusic. I've not tried it with Any other music player? Not sure it will available now or not. But you can actually click from there. You can also embed Facebook videos also. You can also go to this is slow. I don't know why. So this is how you embed a video into your own website. So if I go here, and there should be option for every post. I think forget about it. It is not. Let's see. This is a Netflix advertisement. Can I embed this? Yeah. Can you guys see this? So I'm clicking embed, and that's taking me to developer options, embed post, include full post, and everything will be here. Yeah, I'm gonna include the whole post, and I need the code. This is going to give me the href response, recognize test, valid URL. Okay, so get code. Come on, should give me. Yeah. So if I yeah, I have to just copy this. I think that's how it should be. We'll copy this thing. This is for Facebook, that is for YouTube. This is for Facebook, and this is for website, and this is for YouTube. Okay. So let's go here, paste the code here, and we copy this. I think that should, please stop scribbling and save this and check how it works. Sure, it's going to, yeah. It is loading the post. Just hit the post now. Maybe because it is a post of Netflix, but that is how you guys embed your post. What's this? Oh, I'll take the iframe thing. Okay, this is, I'm sorry. I don't need the script. I don't need this div tag. I'll take this iframe. So yeah, let's see what happens if I iframe it. It should work at least. Yeah, if I put the iframe, you guys can see the Netflix advertisement that I have taken from Facebook. So this is how you embed a web page, and this is how you embed a YouTube video, and this is how you embed a Netflix account. Okay. And if you guys want to embed something else more, then that would be really, really good. I think that you have maps. So let's go here and let's go to Google Maps. I think that would be available. So you can embed maps to. So these are the media queries that is actually really helpful and comes in handy when you guys need it. So I think somewhere like this. There should be an option for embedding. Let me check. I've never done this before. So in between, if you guys have any doubt, you guys can ask me. So there's no option for embedding. Yeah, there is. But I think like you guys can patient sharing, something like that. That's a different way that we use API for this. I'll teach you guys this different time. So if you guys have any doubts that about iframe, we can ask it. So this is how you embed a website. This is how you embed a YouTube, and this is how you embed a Facebook post. Any doubts? Anyone? You guys are clear with this? Any questions? Okay, cool. So these two things, how to embed audio and how to embed, video, you guys should do by yourself. Okay, audio, AUDIO, and PID. Video, you guys should do it. So this is the tag. I'll even teach the tag. Okay, this is the video. All you guys need to do is paste the link here. And I'll teach you the image tag. Yeah, I just forget to do the image tag. Image, I will do it. Image, I'll do it. These two things you guys should do it. How to embed an image that is available locally. Image tag. So now in iframe we saw how to fetch something that is located in the internet. Like Facebook is something that is located in the internet, and YouTube is also something from the internet. So now I'm going to create a folder here inside frontend HTML. I'm going to name this as asset, and inside the asset I'm going to let me go and check something called mobile phone. I'm going to search this thing, and I'm going to images. Let me download some image. I don't have any image locally, so I'm just going to click this. It's a product. So yeah, this is the open image in new tab. Yeah. So let's go here and let's save this image as, and I'm going to save this in my, okay, come on. Yeah, good. So it should be inside. Yeah, good. Stay there. I'm going to name this as sample or phone.jpg or phone.jpg. So I'm downloading some images and I'm closing this thing. Let's go here and cancel. So I'm going to keep this inside my asset folder. It does not mean that I should keep only on asset. I can keep it here also, but for understanding purpose, I'm just keeping this in the folder. You can keep it anywhere. Okay. So here in the image tag, for the image, I'll be using src. Okay, so image src set is not needed. Someone texted me. So just a minute. Yeah, so here, can you guys tell me where is this image located? Any idea? Inside asset folder, right?
Yeah.
So let's go here and give ASS et / phone.jpg. So you can do this. Otherwise, also there is an option in VS Code. Just click this. Click copy relative path. In here, you guys can paste this. This is not going to work, but let's see. This will not. Yeah. So here I will tell you the image is not being loaded. I'll tell you what is the reason, because the path is really wrong. So that's why it's not working. So sorry, really sorry. See, I don't have any images here. And you guys can see this broken thing, right? Can you guys see this? Front end, asset, this thing?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is what you write inside alt
Alt.
tab. Alt. So here I'm just going to write, this is a phone, right? Phone picture. Okay. And I'm going to paste the path here and refresh this, make this normal. And let's wait for it. Let's reload the data. Okay, come on. So if you see, the path is wrong, but I've got this thing like phone picture because I was unable to fetch the image. So what happens in your low internet, right? If you guys have used Facebook and all from long time, you guys will have been seeing these things. Okay,
Yes.
so this meeting might end in 10 minutes. I'll start another new meeting. Please join it. Okay. So here, let's give this. It should be inside asset. So I'll paste this. I'll reload it, and now you guys will see the image here. You guys can see the image here, right? So
Yes.
this is how you embed an image. Same way, here you have to give the path of the video. Here you have to give the path of the audio. That's it. And you can also give width. I'm going to give 100 pixel, and height I'm going to give 100 pixel. You guys can also give it in centimeter. That's dependent upon you. See, if I give 100 pixel, it look like this. And if I give like 500, and if I give 500, which is a square shaped thing, that's how it works here. See, you guys can see this, right? The image is something like, shrinked, right? And that's how it works. And if you guys don't want everything to be clumsy, you can use break tag here also. Break tag works everywhere. You don't have to worry about this. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a break tag here too. So you guys can put this break tag. Yes, cool. So everything is in order one by one. So that is how you guys will put, embed media into a website. Okay. Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So now you guys can easily do this, right? Audio and video.
Yes.
Is anyone
Yes.
having or feeling some problem? You can tell me. I'll help. Okay. Fine. So let's go to the next task. That would be. I think like I've completed enough things. Remaining things you guys can learn by yourself if you guys really into it. So like the HTML folder, inside front end, I'm going to create another folder called CSS. So today we'll be learning HTML plus CSS. So this meeting will end in 7 minutes. Okay, so after 7 minutes, you guys can join the new meeting, just 10 minutes of classes, and then we'll be completing CSS. So here I'm just going to do day 2, part 2, dot html. Okay, this is a file dot html. Okay, so here this is my HTML file, and okay, and I want to give like day part. Is my voice breaking? Is anyone feeling any disturbance in my voice? You guys can tell me.
No, bro.
Okay, good. So here we are going to do CSS. I'll tell you what is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. STYLE style SHEETES sheets, SHEE speaking sheets. Cascading style sheet. Why we use this? Because I'm writing heading. That is, like I'll write my name. So I'm writing my name, and now I'm going to HTML plus CSS. I'm running this. If you guys see, the name is black in color. Or I'm going to write a paragraph, and inside the paragraph, I'm going to write lorem ipsum. And let's see, let's get out of this comma, and full stop, and full stop, and comma, one, and comma, and full stop. So if you guys see this, like everything will be, same thing. Like everything is in black color. So if I want to customize this, then I'll be using CSS. So I'm just going to give style. This method, okay, before going to CSS, I'll teach you this thing. This is very important. There are, 3, okay, someone is here, Soumya is here. Okay, so whiteboard, let's go back here. There are, okay, before going to CSS, what's wrong? Types of CSS. Okay, so before going to types of CSS, I told you why we need CSS. CSS is like used to style the web page. Okay, it is used to style the web page, keep some design, color, font change, everything. So there are 3 types of CSS. One is inline CSS, and another one is like internal CSS. Please take note of it. And other one is external CSS. Okay, so inline CSS will be um, uh, written come on, will be written in the tags. Okay, will be returned in the tags using this attribute called style. This is called as attribute, style attribute. Okay, and internal CSS will be returned in head or body part. Anywhere it can be written, but most preferably it is written in the head. Okay, so it is written inside head or body of the web page, and it is returned with inside style tag. It is written in the style tag, so it should be something like /style. Okay, and there is the last guy called external CSS. External CSS, and this will be inside any file name dot css extension, which is like anything dot css extension will be the external CSS. Any questions?
No.
So if you guys have any question, let me know. I'll ask. I'll help you out. In CSS, there are something called selectors. Like how in HTML we have tags, CSS have selectors. Okay. HTML have tags, CSS have selectors. I'll write it here. HTML has tags, CSS has selectors. Okay. So in CSS, we have a lot of selectors. We have class selector, we have ID selector, we have, element selector, we have element selector, and we have tag selector. So these are some of the selectors available in CSS. And class selector uses dot, ID selector uses hash, element selector uses star, and there are other things. And tag selector uses the tag name, example p, h, ed. These are the tag names. That's a selectors work. Okay, this is really simple. Just take a note of it, or take a screenshot, whatever you guys do. That's really good. So let's go back to CSS. This meeting will end in 2 minutes. If the meeting ends, I'll start the new meeting. Join there. We'll complete the thing as soon as we can. If you guys join yearly, this would be really good. Okay, so stopping the share, sharing my screen, hope everyone can see this. Let's go here. So this is my, this is my internal CSS. So I'm going to write an example for internal CSS. Okay, so internal CSS, I'm just going to write style, and I'm going to give color equal to, I'm going to give something like yellow. Where is yellow? Come on, yellow. So if I give color is equal to yellow, and that would be yellow color. If I give, you guys can see this, right? Color will be yellow. So if I give red, it will be red color. Give red, it will be red color. So inside the p tag, if I want this thing to be, separate, then I can just do something like span. Okay, so here I can put this inside the span. Okay, I can put this inside the span, and I can write style font family, so like Georgia Times New Roman, something like that, and you guys can be able to see the difference. Okay, you guys can't able to see the difference because the font fallback is same here. So let's do font size. Let's do size. I'm gonna give 20 pixel, and then